Periodic classification of elements.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Elements. Elements contain atoms of only one kind. For example, phosphorus, P4, sulfur, S8. Till date, there are 118 known elements. Out of this, 98 are naturally occurring and 20 are artificial elements. Scientists started classifying elements based on physical and chemical properties. For example, elements that conduct electricity are metals, and elements that did not conduct electricity are non-metals. Early attempts at the classification of elements. Dobereiner's triads. Dobereiner, a German scientist, grouped elements based on similarity in properties. He found that each group contains 3 elements each, so he called these groups as triads. He showed that mass of middle element is roughly the average of atomic masses of other 2 elements when arranged in increasing atomic mass. For example, 40.1 plus 137.3 divided by 2, which is equal to 88.7, which is approximately equal to 87.6. For this triad, atomic mass of SR 87.6 is average of atomic masses of Ca and Ba.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Limitations. Since this grouping is valid only for 3 triads from the elements known at that time, hence this classification is not useful. Newland's law of octaves. John Newlands, an English scientist, arranged the elements in order of increasing atomic masses, starting from hydrogen 1.008 to thorium 232.038. He found that every 8th element had similar properties to that of the first. For example, lithium and sodium have similar properties, and magnesium and calcium have similar properties. He compared this with the musical octaves, that is, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. Hence, this law is known as Newland's law of octaves.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Limitations. It is applicable only up to calcium, but not after that. He filled 2 elements in same slot in a column, but these elements have different properties than elements of that column. For example, Ni and Co are metals which are placed with non-metals F, Cl, Br.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.